Viewers, welcome to another lesson. For today's tutorial, we're going to need our thread and needle, a ruler, our chalk, the rope we are going to use to tie our clothes before we put it into our chemical. But before that, as you can see here, we have a color t-shirt. Now, if you are going to use the color t-shirt, there are things you need to put into consideration. Now, you have to check out the color of the material, the t-shirt or whatever thing you are going to use, so that the color you are going to add to it will complement the color. The next thing you are going to do is for you to trace out the shape or pattern that you want on your t-shirt. I'm drawing the pattern I want. Now, why I drew out this shape, it helps you to have what we call accuracy. You know, when you have a shape, it's easier for you to use your needle and thread to follow it. But if you don't draw it out, it may not be what you want. So the best thing is to draw it out. Trace out the line now with my needle and thread. But you have to be very, very careful so that you don't spoil or tear your clothes. So I'm done with the stitches. So the next thing is I drag the thread. But you have to be very, very careful in dragging the thread so that your material does not get torn in the process. We are done with the dragging. So the next thing is to tie the dragged parts and make our patterns. So I've gotten what I want. So I'm going to tie this part now. So this is the shape we are going to have. Yes, so is this part now I'm going to put my chemical. This is the outcome of the t-shirt.